Welcome back to OrgZoo Instant Insight series. This is the second part about behavioral DNA. In the earlier version, we heard about behavioral DNA and how we can visualize behavioral patterns very easily in your culture. This time, I want to explore how you can take these visualizations, which only take about 20 minutes to create, to evolve your culture, to enable you to go through a cultural transformation. So this is a true story of what happened with an organization in Asia. They were funded for 12 months to do a particular project, but they realized the most important thing that came out of that project was the team itself. So the development of a team that's highly collaborative and performing very well is a fantastic thing, but there was no future funding for that team to go on to something else. So it was going to be disbanded. But for a moment, they reflected and thought, what would we need to do? How would we need to change in order to secure ongoing funding? Rather than focus on a task, we could become a strategic advisory based on the trust and relationships and insights that they developed. So they did a behavioral DNA of their current behavior and then said, if we were going to become a strategic advisory, what kind of behaviors would we need to change and what would that look like? They then did a future desired culture using behavioral DNA. They then performed some analysis to look at what the differences were between the current behaviors and the future behaviors, and which were the desirable behaviors to increase and which kinds of behaviors might they need to decrease. That analysis enabled them to look forward, to present a strategy, to go to stakeholder with a proposal, and they got permanent funding to become a structured organization rather than a temporary project team. And they still existed 5 years later, continuing to evolve and adapt and delivering on major projects, not just delivering a defined project, but suggesting certain projects to be done and then delivering on them. It's a wonderful story of what can be achieved if you think consciously about how to transform your culture and what you want to become. That journey of becoming is powerful. Want to know more about that? Look at Becoming Adaptable, the book, read the other activities, and then look at the other video insights shared in this OrgZoo Instant Insight series. Thank you.